Kamla Institute of Technology and Science, Karimnagar, Telangana on shiksha.com has received a rating of 4.5 stars out of 5 by students. In this review video, we will find out how is the BTech course here. Starting with 4.3 star rated placements. As per an report for UG 4-year courses, in 2023, out of 375 graduating students, 283 got placed with 14% opting for higher studies. The placement rate stood at 75%. A quick look at the placement trend reveals consistent improvement. Top recruiters included Wipro, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, IBM, Capgemini and Jetpack. As per student reviews, the top roles were network planning engineer and web developer. The median salary here was around 3.7 LPA, which remained consistent from the previous year. When comparing the median salary with Balaji Institute of Technology and Science, we find that both institutions offer similar packages. Regarding internships, students reported internships with companies like IT Solutions and Archi Technology. Now moving to academic offerings, the BTech program is rated 4.5 stars. BTech is offered across 8 specializations including civil, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, mechanical, computer science, AI and ML, IT and CSE. The total BTech intake here is 720 seats. And for admissions, if we look at the EAMCET cutoffs, we find that admission here is competitive with CSE having higher cutoffs than mechanical. In comparison, Balaji Institute of Technology and Science has more relaxed cutoffs. The total tuition fee ranges between 2.4 lakh to 3.6 lakhs. Now shifting gears to the 4.6 star rated infrastructure. The 26.25 acres campus features ICT-enabled classrooms, seminar halls, Wi-Fi, transportation services, a library and well-equipped laboratories or workshops such as the Digital Signal Processing Lab, Networks Lab and Power Electronics Lab. Additionally, it offers hostel and sports facilities. The campus offers separate hostels for boys and girls. The boys' hostel accommodates 175 students, while the girls' hostel has a capacity of 225 students. Facilities include Wi-Fi, TVs, dispensary, and spaces for indoor and outdoor games. Students appreciate the hostel facilities and mess food in their reviews on shiksha.com. KITS also offers sports facilities including cricket, volleyball, basketball, tennis, throwball, and badminton. Now turning to faculty and course, rated 4.5 stars by students. Students say that faculty members are very approachable and highly qualified, holding PhDs. They also mentioned that the curriculum is relevant and effectively prepares students for the industry. There are multiple workshops, seminars, and industrial visits. Now let's move to the 4.6 star rated campus life. There is a student association that organizes technical and cultural activities here. The institute hosts events like Freshers Party, Batukamma Celebration, Orientation Program, and sports events. The students here have also won awards in inter-college and state-level sports tournaments in volleyball, basketball, and cricket. Lastly, looking at the rankings, KITS is currently unranked in the NRF rankings of 2024. But if you need more details or to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the shiksha.com app now. We would also love to hear from you, so drop a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.